정산이 정산 안녕하세요 윤쌤이요. Hi, I'm Yoon Ssam. As you have seen me, look at me. I dress up something different. Why? Because I want to tell you something. Why? Because the teaching method that I have is always learning must be fun. And that's why I'm dressing up like this. To make you laugh. Right? You'll have fun, right? Okay, anyway. We have a one event coming up and K Saturday. And why Saturday? Because we are doing it Saturday. Alright? 26th January. What time? 9 to 12 p.m. Okay? Where? Promenade. Our usual classroom, right? You can come here and register yourself. Okay. Why I'm doing this? Because I want you to practice what you have learned. That's all. That's it. You must get. Okay. Okay. 안녕. I'll see you in the event. Okay. I love you. Bye.